feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Knuckle cracking doesn't cause lasting joint damage. The popping sound is from gas bubbles bursting in joint fluid. Studies show it won't lead to arthritis or chronic problems. Rarely, frequent cracking might cause temporary swelling or lower grip strength. If it's not painful, cracking your knuckles is generally harmless.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.